Now let's look at our 汉字. Let's look at our first character today, 天. Before we look at this character, look at this 大. We have covered this character before. Originally, it referred to a person in a standing position, with his arms and legs stretching out. So based on the character 大, 天 originally meant the top of the head. And later, it means sky. So you can think of it as there's sky above our head. So 天, it means sky. Now you can trace it or write it down. The next character is 气. This was the original form, but don't confuse it with number 3. It referred to the air which has no shape or size, and it can spread freely. So 气 means air. Now you can trace it or write it down. Our last character is 雨. It means rain. So you can see it hasn't changed much. It is shaped like raindrops falling from the sky. Okay, 雨, it means rain. Now you can trace it. Now let's move on to the Chinese radicals. These are the two we're going to cover today. The first one is 女字旁. Do you still remember this when it's written on its own? Originally, it looked like a woman kneeling down. And this is how you write it now. The character means woman. So you know when it is used as a radical, it is usually related to woman. This one is 姐. It means older sister. This one is 妈. It means mother. The next one is 十字旁. Let's look at the character when it's written alone. Look at its original form. The top is an upside-down mouth, and the bottom part is food vessel, so where you store the food. So this character meant food, and this is how it evolved over time. So 十, it means food. So when you see this radical, it is usually related to food. So 饭, it means meal. 饮, it means to drink. Alright, that's the end of our lesson 12. I'll be seeing you in the next lesson. 下次见。